New tonight, a grieving mother wants answers following the death of her 10-month-old. Her baby died in April after their car was rear-ended in Isle of Wight County. That driver is charged, but not for the child's death. And the mother wants to know why. Eugene Daniels spoke with the mom as well as the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office, who says it's harder to press charges in these types of cases than people think. Eugene?
Yeah, that crash happened here at this intersection in Isle of Wight County, and that driver that hit the car from behind was cited for reckless driving, but the mother said she doesn't understand why there weren't more charges.
Not just anybody, like a 10-month-old baby who hasn't even had a birthday yet was May 17th.
Alicia Gray can't shake this feeling of despair. After years of trying, she and her husband finally had their little girl, Amelia.
Yeah, she just started learning to blow kisses. She'll grab your face and kiss you, like both cheeks, just grab and kiss you.
On April 5th, Alicia stopped at a red light at the intersection of Brewers Neck Road Boulevard in Newtown Haven Lane. That's when her car cut off, forcing her to put on her hazard lights.
And then so like 5 minutes after I did that, boom, I got hit.
Isle of Wight number 1. Yes, we have an accident at the intersection of Brewers Neck Boulevard and Norsworthy.
Another driver rear-ended Gray. 10-month-old Amelia was in the back seat and died 2 days later. A police report said the driver did not have their eyes on the road. She's now charged with reckless driving.
It's a reckless driving charge.
It's tragic. It's very tragic, and no mother should ever lose a child in any circumstances.
Isle of Wight Commonwealth's attorney Georgette Phillips won't comment on a pending case other than she's still waiting for the final Virginia State Police report and more charges could come. But speaking in general, she said there is a high threshold for charging drivers with more than reckless driving, even when someone dies in a crash.
To a layperson or one who's not involved in the criminal justice system, some of the facts, if you would hear in the cases, you would be like, well, of course that's involuntary manslaughter. And the courts have said no.
She says a reckless disregard to human life must be proven, and that's often not easy. Alicia says she won't stop fighting.
Until then, I got to keep fighting for her. Then when I finish fighting for her and get the justice, then I can start fighting for myself.
The Commonwealth's attorney said there have been a lot of cases, deadly crashes in Isle of Wight County in which she couldn't press more than reckless driving. The next court proceeding is scheduled for September. In Isle of Wight County, Eugene Daniel, 13 News Now.
Amelia's family did not have life insurance on the 10-month-old. There is a GoFundMe if anyone wants to help, and we will have a link to that on this story at 13newsnow.com.